Hi, this is Nikki from Rize Bikes, and today we're going to show you how to add the percentage reading for your battery on your LCD screen here. So do you see how there's just bars here showing how much battery is left? Well, today we're going to show you how to add the percentage, which goes right here, and it'll actually show you how much battery you have left. So we're going to start from the very top, and we're going to turn the bike on. Now that the bike is on, what you're going to do is you're going to double click the power button, and this will take you to the menu. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to keep pressing the power button until you get to PSD. Now this requires a password. You can see the zeros flashing here. So the password is 1919. And when you want to sift through the numbers, you're going to press the power button. And once you're done, you're going to press the power button again. You're going to flip through until you go to ENP. The value is going to be defaulted to 0, but you want it to be a 1. So you're just going to flip to 1 and double click off. And now the percentage is showing. And that's that. Now you can see the percentage. Thanks for watching.